Hey everybody, welcome to Discover Your Home. I'm Mark, and tonight we've been asked, why should I paint my ceilings?
Sounds good.
Okay, and I'll give you a couple reasons why you should and what we see in the marketplace out there, why people haven't painted their ceilings, and that's usually the case. First and foremost, what we find is when we're out in homes, we find that a lot of people just kind of look up and at a quick glance say, "Oh, they're fine. I just want the walls painted," because they at a quick glance they look great. But if upon reflection you get a little bit closer, you take a little flashlight, you'll see cracks, you'll see nail pops, you'll see dirty. A lot of times what we're going into are situations where the house is 10, 15, 20 years old. The walls have been painted a number of times, but the ceilings have never been painted. And you would be surprised on, over time, how dirty a ceiling will get, how many nail pops, cracks will show up, cobwebs, the kids throwing footballs and frisbees and everything under the sun, and food being tossed up, and whatever else that's possible. Okay, so all of a sudden you look up and it's dirty. So we really insist on going, if you're going to take a room apart and you go to do the work of painting the walls, it really doesn't require that much more time and material to go ahead and paint that ceiling. A lot of times it's simple, basic repairs, fixing some nail pops, some cracks. Generally it's minor stuff that needs to be fixed. That paint's going to age over time. Even these water-based paints, over time, when they age, they get a little dirty. They have a tendency to yellow a little bit. Generally because when the homes are built, they're not the highest end quality paint that are put in them. They're usually anywhere from, I would say, $10 to $15 a gallon paint that they're putting in these homes. Even going back, adjusted for inflation, going back when I first started, it was never the highest end material. It was usually a really heavy, thick bodied paint that really covered well and touched up well and sprayed well. So, what's the benefit of it? One, you got a fresher looking room, and there's nothing worse than, as far as I'm concerned, I personally don't like to do a job twice, whether it's for myself or for someone else. It just makes more sense if you're going through the rigmarole of tearing a room apart and you're doing all this other work. Why not go ahead and get that ceiling painted? It really doesn't take that much more, whether it's a professional doing it or yourself that's doing it. Because I think in the end you'll be happier. That it'll have a fresher look. All the cracks and nail pops will be taken care of. You can kind of look around and you just get a better feel for how the room looks as a whole, because there's nothing worse than hearing, "I wish I would have painted my ceilings when we did this." And then either we end up doing it and it has to cost a little bit more because now we have more setup time, or we have to come back at a later time to do it, depending upon the situation. So if you, as a homeowner, the first time, the new professionals out there, make sure that you're doing those ceilings as you're going along. You'll find that you'll be a happier homeowner or a happier customer out there. So if you like what we're doing here, please hit the like button, subscribe, send us comments, tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like, give us feedback. We sure like to hear good and bad. So hopefully we can be of help to you out in your home. Thanks again for joining us.
Thanks so much for listening to this episode of Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz. Online at lotzremodeling.com. That's Lotz, Lotz, remodeling.com. And on Twitter and Facebook at Lotz Remodeling. We'll catch you next time.